back, and I'm playing more Slime Ranchers. And I think it's going to be more of a, let me get in a good position. This is Game Rooks. I am Hippie. I am playing a solo game as unusual, but whatever. But I'm going to be playing a solo game. Chickens! I need to collect my chickens. There we go. But yeah, it's just kind of a solo playthrough. Just kind of something to relax to kind of play. I was in the middle of editing the Luigi's Mansion, the next session that we had for it. And it actually turns out that all of that, we only got 20 minutes of us playing the game, and the rest of it has been somehow missing from the data, so I have to go restart, play it all again, beat all the bosses, and then get to the same point that we were before to continue the episode. So that's going to be a fun day. So I was super stressed out, and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go play some Slime Ranchers and make us a playthrough for it. I saw it on there, and I was like, you know, I don't know, and then I was like, yeah, I think we should. That's what you guys are. That's what I have. You guys are gonna be mine, and I'm gonna keep you, and I'm gonna not name you all because you guys are gonna be a lot of them. There's gonna be a lot of them. That'll be a bad idea. Although I will collect some quartz. I don't want you. You have spicy. That doesn't look like a good idea. What is this? Walking board. I wonder how rare that one is. What is that noise? Fruits. And then some more quartz. Whoa! What are you? No. Get your hands off! No, get off me! You guys, get away! Check me over here. They're evil. These evil creatures. They're trying to get all of those plorts. I mean, slimes, Christ. It's just such a fun word to say. Plort. I gotta get out of here. That's terrifying. Whoa! Where are you? Just spawn out of the wonder how much their plort is worth. That's worth 22, and then some quartz. I am 1 off. Do I really need to do anything? Give me a plort. Feel that. Before I let throw one back. Get out of here. I'm gonna set you guys free. Because there's apparently way too many of you for you all to get out. And I don't want to get anybody hurt. Same with you guys. You guys gotta get out of here too. I gotta go find some food. Is that a cat? It's a cat. No. No! Darn! I want to get rid of that. I want to kill the cat. Because that is adorable. That is outstandingly adorable. And all this cords are going to be mine. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, definitely not sucking at those guys. That's bad. Some water? Nice. Shut up. Okay. What's over here? Coral? Rocks. Could be a new breed of animal or more cats. Remember how I said this bad? Stay away! Reports. Not you. Ow. All we need to back the hell off. Ow. I know where to put them. I'll put them on you. Come back. Quartz. Alright, I'm gonna go back. Maybe I'll find some more fruit or vegetables on the way. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.